Hey guys, welcome back to Activities with Charles. So in this video we're going to be seeing what my mom has me make with all the eggs that we cracked in yesterday's video. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. So my mom challenged me to make a casserole, not a souffle, for my mom's souffle. So today, yeah, and then she challenged me to eat it at the end. But yeah, so okay. So you have to like scrape this out. So yeah, it's kind of satisfying, but the fork ain't doing a very good job. So, that is delightful. Oh, that's nice. And then you grab a bunch of it and take it over here into the pan. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So, let's go back over here. So you're going to do this, and then mix this stuff that's called chili coyote or something. And then with this squash, and then you put chicken on top, and then cheese and stuff. It is very nasty. So, dang it. Okay. So now let's take this chili coyote, and then, yeah. Delicious. Delicious. Pretty nice, right? Okay. So, this thing's so big that there's still more of it. So, I'll just grab more. Just kind of make it even, I guess. I don't know. I've never made a casserole before. Not a souffle. For my mom's souffle. I guess that looks good. It doesn't really matter that much, I don't think. So, yeah. So, now I haven't finished dicing up my chicken yet. So, this is my chef knife that I got for my 7th birthday because I love cooking. So, just gonna keep petting this up. Cut, 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 cut. Don't cut your fingers though, kids. Okay, now that I've cut all the chicken out. Those look kind of big, but I think it'll be fine. Okay. Take it over here, and then dump all the chicken out, and then spread it around. Wow, this feels good, actually. I feel like this kind of looks like too much chicken. I think I'm going to take some out. That should be good. I'll get back to you when I'm done with this. So I got some mozzarella here. I think you're supposed to just sprinkle it over the top and then spread it out. Again, this also feels very interesting, but also kind of neat. So, just kind of go like that. And then come over here. This is Parmesan cheese. Dump that on the top. Spread that around. It'll be alright. Okay, so let's go like that, I guess. And then we have some crushed garlic. Okay. Rip. So, put it in there. Okay. So, and then we have some onion. So, put that in there. Make sure it all gets out of there because you need the perfect amount. I think. So, okay, so this is basil. And by the way, my mom did not give me a recipe on like how much to put in here. So I'm going to guess. And hopefully I don't ruin the whole thing. I'm just going to go with that. That's probably not enough, or maybe it's too much, but I have no idea. This is some parsley, so that was probably too much, but I think it'll be okay. This is some oregano. So, it's... yeah, okay. Got some pepper. Not too much pepper. And then we got some sea salt. Himalayan salt, I think. Yeah, Himalayan salt. Give it a good sprinkle, and then grab this and mix it all up. Hopefully I put enough seasoning in. This looks kind of weird. Okay. So, now, okay, now that we got all that out, grab the fork, mix it all around, nice like, make sure it's nice and coated, I guess. Okay, I think that's good. So now we're gonna put it in the oven at about 350. So let's do it. Okay, so we got it all mixed up. Now I'm going to take some cheese and sprinkle it on the top to make it look prettier and make it taste better, I guess. I don't know, I've never tasted this. So, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take some parsley and sprinkle it over the top. Make it look pretty. Okay. Now, it's going in the oven. I'll see you later when it's eating time. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's done. We have it here. It looks pretty good, I guess, but I guess we're just gonna try it. Here we go. Well, I guess this will be the end of this video. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be seeing what my mom has me make. It's from yesterday's video where we cracked all of these eggs. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Activities with Charles. So today, am I supposed to say stuff?
Yes.
So welcome back. We're here at my cooking station. Guess what my mom had me make? No. Guys, welcome back. I started too soon. Cut it. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Mom. So today we are going to be... Hey guys, welcome back. So my mom had me make a Wait, what is this cheese called? I wasn't ready yet, okay?